Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today I am showing you fidgets I just got and opening them. So I ordered some and I was really excited. Came with all of this. A snapper, dimple digits, triple dimple, and almost this heart-shaped simple dimple. I really like the colors on this one. First, I'm going to start with this snapper. This was probably one of my dream fidgets at some point, and now I'm excited because I got it. Okay. Oh, I like these. I'm excited because all these fidgets I do not have, so yeah. I'm going to be trying to collect one of each fidget. Oh, I like this. 10 out of 10. I really like this. Alright, snapper. Let's try this triple dimple. If I can open the packet. There we go. Okay, so it also comes with a hook to hook it, and you can like bring it somewhere. Okay, this is really good. It's a little, not hard, but different to hold in your hand. This is the good side, or this is the bad side. Sounds like a good side, but this is the good side. This is really good, 10 out of 10 also. And you can also clip it to a backpack, or you can clip it to just really anything that you take with you. Anything that you take with you, or it's really a bag. Okay. Next, I'm trying out this. I'm trying out the heart-shaped simple dimple. That's what I'm calling it too. Or that's what I'm calling it. Hard to open these packages. Okay. Oh wait, there's also a clip too. Oh, this is good, but it's harder to pop. Like it also, like it has an extra like pop thing. Like I'll show you guys at the end, like this compared to this, like this also has like an extra pop. Like it's harder to pop. And if you like stuff that's harder to pop, I definitely recommend this. This is what it looks like. Comes with a clip. I'd give this a 9 out of 10. Good but hard, and it's like handheld. Alright, let's go with the dimple digits. Colors are just so cool. I'm excited. I tried popping it in the package, but I'm like, nah, I'm waiting. Okay, so they have numbers on them. Probably why it's called the dimple digits, but let's go with this. Oh, this is good. It won't pop back up. That was the bad side. This is the good side. Harder to pop also, but this side has numbers on it, and this side has almost like, oh, hold up. This is, one side's in English and one side's in Spanish. Oh, that's actually cool. That's why it kind of has like, oh, this is cool. They're harder to pop, but I definitely recommend it. Alright, let me show you guys what I was saying about these two. Alright, so if you like look at this, how it like pops. It has like one line, right? This one has like two, or it's harder to pop. That's kind of easier, but you kind of see what I mean, you guys? Dimple digits, I rate, gotta rate it a solid 9 out of 10. And this is just my opinion, you guys. If you guys like some of these fidgets more than I rated them or less than I rated them, that's your opinion, and this was just my opinion. All of these fidgets are one fidgets I do not have, or some fidgets I do not have. And I'm gonna try to get some of like one of each fidget or main fidget, like, what's the word? Like popular fidget, like, not one of each dimple, but like an original dimple and then like a normal simple dimple. But yeah. Some I don't have are like a pea popper but I don't know. No, I have a pea popper. It's the other pea popper. Can't think of it. I really like this. I really like all these fidgets. Thank you guys for watching this video. Peace.